Hi boys and girls, today you're going to be practicing subtraction with objects. First thing that you're going to need are these cards with an A, B, C, D, and E on them. You're going to put them in order of alphabet. So the first card you're going to work with is A, then the next card will be B, and then C, and then D, and then E. That's important because I'm going to be going through the slides with you and I want to make sure you have them in order. So if you do not have them in order, I want you to pause the video right now and put them in A, B, C, D, E order. Okay, boys and girls, here we go. This slide says put in 7 cookies. So you can see I already put in 1. So we need to keep going. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I want you to pause this video and put 7 cookies on your letter A cookie jar. Welcome back. The next part of this, it says put in 7 cookies, which we did. Now it says take away 4. So let's take away 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The question says how many are left? So if you count those cookies, you're going to see that there are 3 left. Now you need to use your dry erase marker and write the number 3. Now we're going to be going on to the letter B. Make sure you have a letter B. This time I'm going to be reading it to you and you are going to be acting it out with your cookies. Put in 9 cookies. Take away 5. How many are left? I want you to pause your video and act that out. Put in 9 cookies. Take away 5. How many are left? Once you're ready, hit the play button. The answer is 4. 9 cookies, take away 5 cookies, is 4 cookies. Next we need the letter C card. I'm going to read it to you. Get your cookies ready. Put in 6 cookies. Take away 5 cookies. How many are left? Put in 6 cookies. Take away 5. How many are left? Please pause your video and act out that story with your cookies. When you're ready, turn the video back on. 1. The answer is 1. Put in 6 cookies. Take away 5. How many are left? 1. Now you need your D card. Put in 7 cookies. Take away 5. How many are left? Put in 7 cookies. Take away 5. How many are left? Pause the video and act out your story. The answer is 2. If you put in 7 cookies and you take away 5, you'll have 2 cookies left. Okay, we're on the last one. Make sure it's letter E. Put in 9 cookies. Take away 3. How many are left? Put in 9 cookies. Take away 3. How many are left? Please push pause to act that story out. 6. The answer is 6. If you put in 9 cookies and take away 3, there are 6 cookies left. Now, boys and girls, you should have your A car filled in, your B and your C and your D and your E should all have numbers on them that answer the takeaway question. Once you have that finished, you are going to take a picture on Seesaw and send it to your teacher. If you want to, you can even make a video to explain your thinking. Have fun!